Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to use night mode for low light photos on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, open the camera and scroll to night photo. If you don't have it on the left side like me, you'll find it in the more section. You can bring it down here. Once you open night photo, you'll see 1 second, and you might wonder what that means. When I put my hand like this, it shows 2 seconds. When there's dim light, you need to hold your device steady for 2 seconds while taking the photo. The photo will be lightened up and will definitely be lighter than in reality. To take those pictures, you need dim lighting. After you take a photo, every detail will be brightened. Test it out and let me know in the comments if night mode did a great job for you. I promise it works just fine, but make sure to keep your device steady. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!